Okay, we're going to be drawing the bottle, a drink bottle that you have. You can draw anyone. Now, we're going to do it in pencil. So therefore, you're going to have a range of pencil. Would be good if you can have 2B. Yeah, oh, I have two 2B here and one 8B. So I have one that is a bit light and the 8B is the darker ones. Okay, so well, we'll start with the 2B. Okay, so as usual, when we start with our drawing, we are going to think about the structure. So it's more cylindrical, and think about the proportion, maybe like that bit, and a little bit short. That bit could be just half of that middle portion, and that portion is the same as that, and that is half. Okay, and a little bit, but there is a little bit smaller. So that's going to be my reference. Okay, so I'm going to just go a little bit. That could be my bottom bit. The bottom bit that is here, so that goes there, and then double that goes up there, and double that goes up there. Okay, and that would be the lid. Okay, I can go a little bit lower if I like. Okay, now I'm going to make sure, I'm going to map it up in such a way that the right side and the left side is the same. So I'm just going to go measure. Okay, that way here, and there, and there. Okay, there would be some people who like to measure with the eye, you know, like with the pencil and others, but I'm really not good at doing that, so I'll just measure it. I'm going to draw it like. Now this bit looks like it's going in a bit. It's because of the indentation in the on the side of the bottle. Well, I think they design it in such a way that it looks a little bit unique. But when I'm looking at here, it kind of look a little bit distorted. It looks like this bit's going in and that bit is coming out. Yeah. But draw what you see, basically. Draw what you see. Be expressive a bit is okay. Okay, and I can have a little bit of a line, a tabletop line. Da, da, da. Okay, I'm going to take my 8B pencil, 8B, and I'm going to just add a little bit of dark lines, light shading here and there. Now remember not to do an even line across from left to right. It will spoil your drawing. Okay, a little bit here and there. Okay. Yo, I love drawing, I love artwork. That's why I'm in school teaching. Been teaching for more than 30 years. Amazing. Sometimes can't imagine myself doing this. Yeah, but I'm never too old for it. Don't think I'll be ever too old to teach. Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit dark line here at the bottom bit. Kind of to weigh the bottle down a bit. Okay, now if I don't have the dark line, and if the dark line is too much at the top, then it looks like my bottle is going to topple over. Okay. So therefore, a little bit of the dark shading at the bottom there. Yeah. Now don't overdo it. Now whatever you do, don't overdo it. Just slightly be selective of where you want to put the dark and the mid-tones. So I basically have the real white, there's no shading at all. Shading using the 2B pencil, which is quite light, and a bit of a mid-tone, and then not to overdo it. I know I'll be tempted to overdo it, okay? So, and that's it. A little bit here and there, maybe. Now I can shape this a little bit more solid for the lid because the lid is actually not transparent. So you look at the lid, it's not transparent, whereas the body is. Okay. Okay, you are the artist, you call the shot, you make your artwork interesting. Okay, yeah. I want people to enjoy the drawing, okay? So this is the first bottle drawing that we're going to do for the term. But for many of you, this is not your first drawing. Obviously, it's not because I put it on YouTube. Okay, enjoy and have fun.